4 things you should not do if you are applying for the U.S. visa, especially those of you who are applying for the visitor's visa. Please pay attention. Welcome back to my page. This is where I give travel updates, travel tips. If you're seeing my page for the first time, I'll encourage you to follow. And if you have been my follower, I say thank you so much. You've been amazing. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 4 things you should not do while you are applying for your U.S. visa. Number 1 is a general rule, and I like to state it not just for the U.S. visa, but other visa applications that you might find yourself trying to apply for. Maybe Canada or the UK or any other visa at all. Number 1 rule is do not rush that application if you are applying for a visa. Do not rush that application. If it's a U.S. visa and you are filling the DS-160 application form, do not rush it. Take your time step by step. If there's a place you don't understand what to feel, ask questions before you proceed. Take a moment to think it through before you proceed. Do not make a mistake, because if you make a mistake in that application, it might affect your visa interview outcome. So do not rush. Take your time, and don't be in a hurry to submit that application. Number 2, do not book for a flight before going for that interview. Or when you get to the interview, do not tell the consular that you have booked your flight already. Please, this is very important. If not for anything, it shows how desperate you are in trying to get them to give you that visa, so it's important. Do not book your flight. A lot of people will tell you when you book your flight, it gives you an edge over orders. It convinces the visa officer that you are ready. It convinces them that you know what you want to do. Some people will even go ahead to tell you that. It convinces the visa officer that you will return, so they advise you to book your going and coming. That is to and fro. It is very wrong for you to do so. It's a waste of money, especially if the visa is not granted to you, and it's a waste of time. So please do not book for that flight. You can have your money as soon as the visa is granted there, and then you can start booking your flight. Please do not go with the story that you are going to visit your boyfriend or your girlfriend who is a U.S. citizen or who is living in the U.S. Please pay attention, because a lot of people have come to say, I want to visit my boyfriend. I want to visit my girlfriend. My girlfriend is in the U.S. My boyfriend is in the U.S., and they are sponsoring my trip. Some people go ahead to say, I have this friend. We have not met. We have not met in person. We've been talking online, and the person is willing to sponsor my trip. The person is even willing to give me a job when I come to the U.S. Please do not go with that story. It will give you an automatic denial. I am saying this now for people who are having their interviews very soon, and maybe this is the story they are going with. Please do not go with this story. The reason why most visas are denied is because you have not been able to prove that you don't have an immigration intent. That is to say, you have not proven to them that if you travel, you will not come back. So for you to say you have a boyfriend, you have a girlfriend who is a U.S. citizen, and they are inviting me to come, you are actually telling them that you have an intention to change the reason why you want to travel to see those people peradventure. If they give you that visiting visa, you might intend to go there and get married to your boyfriend or your girlfriend, and therefore will not return to your home country. Number 4, if they ask you, will you be working on your trip? Please do not state that you'll be working while on your trip except your visa. That is the visa you are applying for permits you to work while on that trip. If you are asked this question, please do not say I'll be working while on that trip. I'll be helping this person take care of her baby and she'll be paying me some money, or I'll be volunteering in a particular job or in a particular place. Except the visa you are applying for permits you to do these things. If you are applying for a tourist visa, your main intent is to go and do your tourism or to go and see your family member, your relative. That is the reason why you are traveling. You are not traveling to go and have a job or to go and get a job and start working and start earning money. So as soon as you mention that you'll be taking a job while you are on that trip, that is a red flag and will get you automatically denied. So these are the things you should not do while you are preparing for your interview. And even when you go for that interview, I wish you guys success, and make sure that you keep sharing. Keep sharing this video so that people can be updated, people can be enlightened, and avoid making a lot of mistakes. Was it useful? Do you want more videos like this one? Type yes or no in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more.